Top 15 new discoveries made by AI. Every few generations, something rewrites the rule book of discovery. The telescope expanded our eyes. The microscope revealed invisible worlds. Now, a new kind of explorer has emerged, one that doesn't eat, sleep, or breathe. It only learns. It's not powered by curiosity, but by code. And it's changing everything we thought we knew about how science works. Here are 15 breakthroughs made by artificial intelligence. Discoveries that prove the age of human-only science is over. Number 15, quantum AI, the birth of Willow. Hidden in a corner of Google's quantum research lab, 2024 brought a whisper that shook computing. A quantum chip called Willow solved a computation in 5 minutes, a task that would take classical supercomputers billions of years. It wasn't just fast, it was different. Willow was designed specifically for AI workloads, a bridge between the probabilistic world of quantum particles and the logic of machine learning. Together, they opened a door to an era of unimaginable power, where AI and quantum computing amplify one another. From decoding molecules to cracking cryptography, Willow proved that intelligence itself might one day run on quantum uncertainty. Number 14, decoding the human brain. The next frontier wasn't in space, it was inside us. In 2023, Google and Harvard mapped a cubic millimeter of human brain tissue, a fragment the size of a grain of sand. Yet, inside that speck, AI uncovered 57,000 neurons and billions of connections, stitched together from electron microscope images. It revealed new wiring patterns, strange loops, and previously unseen neuron types, structures that could explain how memory forms or how emotion travels. AI turned chaos into a three-dimensional map of consciousness itself. It's the closest humanity has ever come to seeing thought. Number 13, the hidden universe, gravitational wave. Discovery space speaks in whispers, faint ripples in space-time known as gravitational waves. Until AI came along, many of those signals drowned in cosmic noise. In 2023, deep learning algorithms learned to separate real events, black hole collisions, neutron-star mergers, from static. For astronomers, what once took months to confirm now happens in real time. AI has given humanity a new sense, a cosmic hearing aid that listens to the universe breathe. Number 12, the AI weather prophet storms once followed their own lawless rhythm until AI learned to read the sky. DeepMind's GraphCast, released in 2023, outperformed traditional weather models that required hours of supercomputing. GraphCast produced accurate forecasts in seconds and predicted Cyclone Mocha almost a week before landfall. Entire coastal evacuations were planned earlier, lives saved, because an AI saw what humans couldn't. As climate change accelerates, these predictive systems are no longer luxuries. They are survival tools, digital profits for a turbulent planet. Number 11, protein folding, cracking the code of life. Every disease, every cure, begins with a protein's shape. For half a century, predicting that 3D structure was biology's biggest unsolved riddle. Then came DeepMind's AlphaFold. It didn't experiment. It predicted, mapping 200 million protein structures in a single leap, covering nearly every known protein on Earth. Suddenly, the machinery of life was an open book. Scientists are now designing drugs, enzymes, even synthetic organisms at speeds once thought impossible. What took decades now takes hours. Number 10, the AI mathematician, alpha geometry. Mathematics was long considered humanity's purest art. Then, in 2024, alpha geometry arrived, solving 83% of geometry problems from the International Math Olympiad archives. What stunned researchers wasn't the accuracy, but the reasoning. It explained every step, like a human genius jotting proofs on a board. This transparency turned AI from a black box into a collaborator. Soon, it may tackle physics theorems or invent new engineering principles, and proving that logic itself can evolve. Number 9. Thought to text. Communication. In a hospital room at Stanford, a paralyzed woman spoke her first words in years, but her lips never moved. AI decoded her brain waves, translating electrical signals into words at 80 words per minute. At UC San Francisco, another model turned raw neural data into complete sentences. For the speechless, AI has become a voice. For the world, it's proof that mind-to-machine connection isn't science fiction anymore. It's the rebirth of communication. Number 8. Material discovery. 380,000 new compounds. In 2023, Google DeepMind's known model searched chemical space, predicting the stability of millions of crystal structures. It discovered 380,000 previously unknown materials, equivalent to 8 centuries of lab work. Among them, compounds that could revolutionize batteries, solar panels, and superconductors. For scientists, GNOME is a map of treasure waiting to be tested. AI has become the compass pointing toward the future's raw materials. Number 7. AI creates algorithms. Alpha Dev and Alpha Evolve. We once built algorithms to make AI think. Now, AI builds algorithms to make computers think better. DeepMind's Alpha Dev invented a faster sorting algorithm that became part of the official C++ standard library, the first AI-written code ever accepted into the foundation of global software. Then came Alpha Evolve, designing dozens of optimization methods that outperformed decades of human engineering. Every second saved by these codes echoes across billions of machines worldwide. Quiet efficiency born from machine creativity. Number 6. AI in radiology. The doctor's digital partner hospitals face a deluge of scans, millions of CTs, MRIs, and X-rays every day. Radiologists can miss the smallest sign under such pressure. Enter MedPalm M, Google's medical AI. In 2023, it matched expert radiologists in accuracy, flagging fractures, cancers, and hidden anomalies in seconds. In the UK, the NHS now uses similar systems to triage patients faster. AI doesn't replace the healer, it enhances them. Medicine, once reactive, is finally becoming predictive. Number 5. The robotic scientist. At the University of Liverpool, researchers introduced a scientist that never sleeps. A robotic arm, powered by AI, performs experiments 24 hours a day, designing its own hypotheses and adjusting its strategy without human help. In weeks, it completed what traditional labs would take years to finish. Chemistry and biology now move at machine speed. Discovery loops compressed from months to mornings. For the first time, curiosity itself has been automated. Number 4. Earth 2, the digital twin of our planet. The fight against climate change demands foresight. NVIDIA's Earth 2 project aims to create a living simulation of Earth, a digital twin that predicts weather and climate with breathtaking precision. Traditional models can take weeks on supercomputers. Earth 2's AI can model storms, droughts, and heat waves in near real time. It lets policymakers test what-if scenarios. What if we cut emissions by 30%? What if deforestation slows? For the first time, humanity can see tomorrow and perhaps change it. Number 3. Quantum chemistry simulations. Molecules dance in ways that defy ordinary computation. Quantum computers, guided by AI, are beginning to follow the rhythm. In 2023, AI-optimized quantum algorithms predicted chemical reactions and energy transfers with record accuracy. These discoveries are already shaping cleaner hydrogen fuel catalysts and more efficient battery materials. AI doesn't just observe chemistry anymore, it participates in it, like a digital alchemist shaping matter through math. Number 2, spatial intelligence. Teaching AI to understand space. AI once lived inside screens. Now it steps into our world. Large geospatial models and visual positioning systems can map environments down to the centimeter. Companies like Niantic and Google demonstrated this power in 2024, anchoring digital objects precisely in real-world locations. For robotics labs, it means autonomous machines that truly know where they stand. For humans, it's the merging of augmented reality and physical life, a fusion of digital and tangible worlds that changes how we see everything around us. Number 1, generative biology, designing life. If nature builds slowly, AI builds fast. In 2023, generative models began designing new proteins, the engines of biology, in silico. And companies like in silico medicine used these systems to generate millions of molecular candidates. One AI-designed drug for a fatal lung disease reached human trials the same year, something that normally takes a decade. AI is no longer observing life, it's creating it. Digital evolution is here, and it doesn't need natural selection to keep moving forward. From folding proteins to decoding brains, from mapping storms to crafting the building blocks of matter, AI isn't just accelerating discovery, it has become the discoverer. The boundaries between imagination and invention are fading, and the real question is no longer what AI can do, but how fast it will learn to do it better than us. Every day, machines uncover something new, another secret of nature, another fragment of the cosmos. And as they do, the pace of understanding races beyond what any single mind can follow. We built AI to assist us, but perhaps, without realizing it, we've built the first partner truly capable of exploring the infinite. If you made it this far, hit like, subscribe, and tell us which discovery left you speechless. Because the story of AI and science isn't ending. It's only just beginning.